English book story. Neha's alarm clock. Narrator said, "Ring. Ring. Ring." Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and, covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. Neha said, "This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes." Narrator said, "Something falls." Neha smiles. Neha said, "Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late." Narrator said, "Next morning there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. Birds said, "Wake up, dear. Wake up fast." Narrator said, Neha gets up with a start. Neha said, "Oh, no. If it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone?" Narrator said, "Even this wish of Neha's comes true." The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. But there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Neha said, "Oh, my eyes. Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be?" Narrator said, "Even this wish of Neha's comes true." Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. So, Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. Mother said, "Wake up, sleepy head. You will miss the bus." Neha said, "Oh no. Why does mother have to wake me up?" Narrator said, "There is no escape now." Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha said, "Ma, who woke me up today?" Narrator said, Mother smiles. Mother said, "Who else?" "You, of course." Neha said, "But I was sleeping, how could I?" Mother said, "Now, tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon?" Neha said, "I feel hungry." Mother said, "Why do you sleep at 9 every night?" Neha said, "Because I feel sleepy." Mother said, "There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up." Neha said, "Oh. Ooh. I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus." Mother said, "Relax. Today is Sunday." Neha said, "Oh. Oh. Oh." How did you like this video? Do tell us in the comments. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Thank you.